I have practically wasted so much time whenever I needed a TLS certificate for making contact to different endpoints, or client on a server or whatever. I overlooked a tool that can change the way you do this forever. As you might see, if you go to the GitHub page, mkcert is not a new tool. Maybe it was just me that ignored it. I don't know. But in doubt, I want to save at least one person that is looking this video from making the same mistake. It's a small tool, but help you with all the boilerplate that usually takes to create certificate with OpenSSL. So let's take a look on how it works in practice. You see here, you have documentation, everything to get started. And yeah, you might think, holy cow, this is too much easy, right? So I can't believe it, I promise you. It's just like it looks. Okay, so to install, you just need to type brew install mkcert, waiting for a bit, and then the magic is here. So mkcert minus install, and voila. Oops. Yeah, my sudo password. I forgot. No. Okay. You see, voila, the local CA is now created. Now, it didn't manage to install my because it's a simple remote VM, but yeah, you don't care basically about that. The other thing that now you can do, you can produce and sign with this CA any number of certificate that you need with any DNS name or IP address that should be validated. So you remember all the OpenSSL command that you need to do that? Yeah, just forget it. And I still can't believe it. No words, really speechless. So since you don't have to trust me, let's take mkcert. And for instance, I can put example.com. I want this to be valid, or I want to be this valid example, any subdomain of example.com. And also for localhost, for testing, for instance, I need a server to trust this with these names, and also eventually for 1.1. So now the certificates are created. So if I do ls help now, key and certificate are available that you can take and put into any client that you want or any server that you want. And yeah, that's cool. I need just one more thing from your attention. That is the one place where I use this and where I actually discovered this. So thank you very much, nats.io, because you were the place where I discovered this kind of tool. My way to create certificate won't be the same. So everyone out there, go there if you need a message queue or any kind of edge services to be connected to your world. Take a look at nats.io. It's an amazing project. I love it, and it also helps you discovering this kind of gems. I hope this is helping you with managing TLS certificates, and stay tuned. If you didn't already, subscribe, and see you in the next video.